Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing App Cloner from a trusted source and allow installs from unknown sources. Next, create a full backup of the original app APK and any important app data for safety. Confirm you have a single emoji character ready to use as the icon and a writable storage location on your device for the cloned APK. This preparation reduces risk and lets you quickly restore the original app if anything goes wrong. Open App Cloner and select the app you want to clone and modify. Tap Appearance and choose Icon to open the built-in icon editor for that app. In the icon editor, paste or type the emoji character and center it visually for best results. Use the size control to scale the emoji so it fits like a normal launcher icon. Confirm export settings and set a clear file name for the cloned APK to avoid confusion later. Tap Create Clone to build the cloned APK and wait for the process to finish. Install the cloned APK from your file manager and grant standard permissions when prompted by Android. Find the cloned app in your launcher and verify the emoji icon displays correctly on the home screen and app drawer. Open the cloned app and test core functions to make sure nothing broke during cloning. If any issues arise, restore the original APK and data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.